breathe. Actually, may breathing technique na pwedeng gawin
Correct.
doon. This is called the box breathing. So it helps you to stop to help you with your anxiety or with any other stress. Mas madali lang siyang gawin. So kung ituturo ko sa inyo, ganito lang siya. Uupo ka, hihiga ka kahit anong pwesto. Basta you inhale and then you pause and then you exhale and then you pause. You count like
Ilang
4.
counts yan?
4 or minsan 5. Depende kung anong kaya mo. Let's start
Ako, I
with
do
4.
5-8 eh.
Yun,
5
5-8.
inhale, exhale.
Ako naman, ang box breathing ko para 4-4-4.
Ah.
So, inhale for 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold your breath. 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. And hold. Again, inhale 2, 3, 4. And hold
Parang
your
dance, ano?
breath. So, what it does is, if na-anxious ka na, yung lumuluwag yung pakiramdam mo at bumabagal kasi yung yung paghinga mo, yung heart rate mo because of that. So, magga-ground ka.
Watch the full episode on YouTube and Spotify.